first thing, we need to cut the bottleneck. So either you could use an X-Acto knife like this, you might want to heat it up or just cut it like this gently, or you could use a saw. I'm going to use a saw because I think it'll work better. It's not a clean cut, but that's okay. We'll just cut the extra with the X-Acto knife and then use maybe a sandpaper to take off some of the sharp pieces. We need to remove this ring. Okay, the cap is ready. You've got the ring glued in. It's all solid. Dries pretty fast. We have our bottle part here. So the next thing is to attach to the dry bag. Now for this purpose, I'm going to use a smaller dry bag. It's only 8 liter volume, and it's easier to show you here. So first of all, I'm going to attach it on the bottom and to one side, say here. So when you lay it down, you know, it's here, goes towards the horizontally towards your mattress, not like this, because then it's hard to press down and etc. Okay, so the second thing is how we're going to attach it. There's a couple of ways I could think of. Number one, you make a hole, you put this from inside, okay, like this, and it pops out, and then the edge, this edge here is going to hold it from popping out. You glue it, okay. Now that's one way. The other way is to just feed a little bit of material through. Okay, you can see it like this. Then you cut this open, and then you wrap it kind of to the sides. Oh, sorry. You wrap it kind of to the sides, like open it like a flower, and then you put it over this. And then the lid's gonna tighten it in one place. Third way is what I think is least intrusive, is and probably requires smallest hole. And you put this part, okay, you put this on the inside, like so. You screw on your lid like this. I'm getting at least 2 turns, and then you make a hole here, and so that part stays on, and if you need to, you take a new cap like this and then you screw it in, and that, again, dry bag. Alternatively, you can have another one like this with a bunch of holes, and because it's a dry bag, you can fill it in with water and use it as put it on the tree and use it as a shower. All right, putting this from the inside, and I'm going to put it right by the writing and close to the end. Let's say here maybe an inch and a half from the bottom. I need to screw the cap on, make my hole, make sure it's not really bunched up and all stretched. Okay, just a couple of turns. Here it is, and I'm going to make a hole, and I will actually, looks like I'm gonna cut this out. Yeah, the air is coming out pretty nicely. So undo this cap, pull this out, use my scissors and make the hole nice and big. Okay, tighten it, and here's our hole. One. It's starting to leak, so quick top up. Done. Test number 2. This time we're gonna use our larger bag. So let's see how many it will take and how long. We're done. It took about 4.5. here's our shower. Camp shower. The flow is not huge, but it all depends on how many holes you make.